Hey digital artists, tired of vector tools that force you into expensive monthly subscriptions just to design a logo? Today, I'm showing you a direct path to deploy a fully optimized, beastly Inkscape workspace on your rig for zero cost. Let's unlock your creative freedom right now. Let's hit that download link on our platform first to lock in the configuration file. The moment you open it, the automated routine kicks in, pulling down the advanced rendering engines and core SVG libraries straight to your local drive. Boom! The baseline structure is successfully integrated. Now, let the open configuration screen handle the secondary modules, mapping out the custom extensions and node editing tools. It's a swift step that wraps up in a literal blink. Let's fire up the canvas for the very first time to check our new creative board. We are opening a fresh template just to ensure the Bezier curves, object layers, and node tools respond instantly with zero lag. The entire vector ecosystem is perfectly calibrated, verified, and completely free of any limitations. Head over to our webpage right now to secure the installation files and start bringing your branding concepts to life like a pro.